In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact in Xero. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger team managing accounts, adding contacts is a crucial step for organizing and simplifying your accounting tasks. Let me walk you through this process, ensuring it's straightforward and easy to follow. First, let's navigate to Xero.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the Xero homepage, if you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Remember, it's always a good idea to use a strong password to keep your information secure. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This is your central hub where all your organization options are displayed. Now choose your organization from the list. It's important to select the correct one, especially if you manage multiple businesses through Xero. Next up, direct your attention to the top menu of the page. Here you'll click on Contacts. This will open a new set of options related to managing contacts within the organization you've chosen. From the drop-down menu, select All Contacts. This will show you a list of all existing contacts associated with your organization. To add a new contact, look to the upper right corner of this page and click the New Contact button. It's conveniently placed for easy access, ensuring you can swiftly move forward in creating a new entry. Now it's time to enter the contact's details. The first piece of information you'll need to provide is the contact's name. This is a required entry, so make sure it's accurately spelled and complete. An accurate name not only keeps your records tidy, but also ensures smooth communication later on. Once the name is set, scroll down to enter additional details if needed. This includes selecting a default purchases account, which will be used for any bills associated with this contact. Setting this up in advance can save you time during future transactions. Similarly, specify a default sales account for any invoices. Having these accounts pre-selected expedites the process of invoicing and billing, making those tasks less tedious and error-prone. After you've entered all necessary information, the next move is to confirm and save all your hard work. Simply click the Save button. This action ensures everything you've entered is securely stored in Xero's system and readily accessible for future transactions. Finally, your new contact will appear in the contacts list. From now on, this contact is available for you to use whenever you're creating invoices or processing bills. This efficient organization not only streamlines your workflow, but also maximizes productivity. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a contact in Xero. With this new skill, managing your financial data will become even more seamless and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!